Denver limousine accident insurance claims. Limousine accidents, while less common than regular car accidents, can be just as devastating. Understanding how to navigate the aftermath of such an incident is crucial for your well-being and financial security. Whether it's a collision with another vehicle, injuries sustained by passengers, or property damage, these incidents can have far-reaching consequences. As a passenger or a driver, knowing what to do in the aftermath of a limousine accident is vital. Types of limousine accidents. One of the most common types of limousine accidents involves collisions with other vehicles. These accidents can range from minor fender benders to severe crashes, depending on various factors such as speed and impact angle. In a bustling city like Denver, where traffic congestion can be a challenge, rear-end collisions, side impact crashes, and even multi-vehicle pileups can occur. These accidents may result from factors like distracted driving, reckless behavior, or adverse weather conditions. Passengers in a limousine can also sustain injuries during an accident. Due to the absence of seatbelts in many limousines, passengers are at a higher risk of being thrown around in the event of a collision. Limousine accidents can result in significant property damage. This includes damage to the limousine itself, as well as any other vehicles involved in the accident, and even damage to public or private property. A collision can lead to extensive repairs, and in some cases, vehicles may be deemed a total loss. Determining liability. Determining who is at fault in a limousine accident is a crucial step in the claims process. If the accident was caused by the negligence of the limousine driver, they may be held personally responsible for the damages. In cases where the limousine company failed to maintain the vehicle or hire qualified drivers, they may share liability for the accident. Limousine companies have a duty to ensure that their vehicles are in proper working condition and that their drivers are adequately trained. Sometimes, another driver or entity, such as a maintenance provider, may be responsible for the accident. If the accident was caused by the actions of a third party, such as a driver of another vehicle, their insurance coverage may come into play in compensating the victims. Steps to take after an accident. In the immediate aftermath of a limousine accident, taking the right steps can significantly impact your claim's outcome. Check for injuries and call 911 if medical attention is needed. Notify the police about the accident and wait for them to arrive at the scene. Collect as much evidence as possible at the accident scene. Even if you don't feel injured at the scene, it's essential to seek medical attention promptly. Limousine insurance coverage. Limousine companies typically carry commercial insurance policies to cover accidents involving their vehicles. Commercial insurance is designed to protect the company and its assets, as well as compensate victims for injuries and property damage resulting from an accident caused by the company's vehicle. By understanding the various insurance coverages and how they apply to your situation, you can better navigate the claims process and ensure that you receive the compensation you're entitled to after a limousine accident. Filing an insurance claim. Contact the limousine company's insurance provider as soon as possible to report the accident. Maintain detailed records of all damages, expenses, and correspondence related to the accident. Expect to communicate with insurance adjusters from both your insurance company and the limousine company's insurer. Be cautious about giving recorded statements without legal advice, and consult with an attorney if you have any concerns about the information you're asked to provide. Legal considerations. This time frame, known as the statute of limitations, varies depending on the nature of your claim. Consider hiring a Denver limousine accident attorney experienced in handling limousine accident cases to protect your interests. An attorney can provide valuable legal guidance, negotiate with insurance companies on your behalf, and represent your interests in court if a fair settlement cannot be reached. In many cases, insurance companies will attempt to settle claims without going to court. If a fair settlement cannot be reached through negotiations, pursuing legal action may be necessary to secure the compensation you deserve. Navigating the legal aspects of a limousine accident claim requires a thorough understanding of the law and the ability to effectively advocate for your rights. By seeking legal representation, you can ensure that your case is handled professionally and that you have the best possible chance of achieving a favorable outcome. Factors affecting your claim. Severity of injuries. Degree of negligence. Available evidence. Common insurance claim pitfalls. Giving a recorded statement. Accepting the first offer. Not considering future costs. Conclusion. Navigating the complexities of Denver limousine accident insurance claims can be challenging, but it's essential to seek justice and compensation if you've been a victim of such an accident. By following the steps outlined in this guide and seeking professional legal advice, you can protect your rights, maximize your chances of a successful claim, and work towards rebuilding your life after an unfortunate limousine accident.